Cordelia नाम सुना है? The cruise. Cordelia was a bitch, and now Aryan knows it. Your topic is Cordelia was a bitch, and now Aryan knows it. Start speaking now.
Cordelia was a bitch and now Aryan knows it's a fact that all of us know.
Yes.
Sir, grammatical error. He said.
Alright, but I guess we've got the guy who's going to get to complete the minute because it's just for that minuscule, fleeting fraction of a second. If men were lipstick, women would start.
Early start.
Early start, absolutely right. You lost the chance. You lost the chance of getting 5 points. For that, whatever, 0.0001 part of a second. Start speaking now.
If men were lipstick,
That's right,
women
minute
would
over.
have loved to wear.
-1. If men were lipstick, women. Yeah, you can continue with your idea. It's entirely up to you. Please, I'm not going to repeat the rule. If men were lipstick, women would start speaking now.
If men were lipstick, I
Yes.
bet.
Sir, she repeated the topic again.
That has been repeated. Absolutely right. Topic goes procedure for how many seconds? Another 17 seconds. If men were lipstick, women would start speaking now.
If men were lipstick, I bet women would be Boruline cream because that is the same.
Yes. Tinder.
Yes.
Yes. Your topic is I'm terrific on Tinder, terrible on a date. Your topic is I'm terrific on Tinder, terrible on a date. Start speaking now.
I'm terrific on Tinder because a guy.
Yes,
Wrong pronunciation.
A friend one too many times. Soda whiskey, open with a pop. We want Josephus at the top. And there was something grammatically wrong about you using on the top also. No one noticed that. Soda whiskey, open with a pop. We want Josephus at the top. Start speaking now.
Soda whiskey opens with a pop. We want Joseph.
Yes.
Incorrect.
Cordelia is a bitch, and now Aryan knows it. Start speaking now.
Cordelia was a bitch and now Aryan knows it's a fact that all of us know. And it won't be an exaggeration to say now that the NCB is after him like cats and dogs.
Yes.
Hesitation. Terrific on Tinder but terrible on a date. I was really shocked because his Tinder profile is really amazing. It says that he is the lead singer in a band that has won Joseph Fest a couple of times. But still, girls don't stalk him as much as they do with me.
Yes.
Repetition of as much as.
Parikshit Dubey told me that he is terrific on Tinder. I said, you can't be as terrific as I am because my Tinder profile mentions college captain of St. Joseph's College, and that is enough for any girl to be attracted towards me because to be the college captain of any school.
Yes.
College captain repeated.
Yes, the topic. It is only a significant word or phrase which is not in the topic if someone repeats it that you get penalized for. -1 for MPVM. Topic remains with if men were lipstick, women would start speaking now.
If men were lipstick, I bet women would be Boruline cream because I, being a woman, live in a country where freedom of expression is given to each of us, and I want.
She is away.
Going around, yet no one likes me. Sorry, there's no contradiction over there. In fact, she had to stop. That should have been your objection, MPVM. I'm sorry that you are getting a lot of negative points, but all the best. I'm terrific on Tinder, terrible on a date. Start speaking now.
I'm terrific on Tinder because no guy ever swipes me left, even after.
Yes.
Guy is a slang.
Cordelia was a bitch, and now Aryan knows it. Start speaking now.
After Aryan came back from Cordelia, who was such a bitch, he totally understands.
Yes.
So he said he was such a pop. We want Joseph Fest on the top. This was the theme of Joseph Fest 2021, and my friend Shrey Jaiswal suggested this to me because it is a fantastic theme and
Yes.
Theme repeated.
Bitch, and now Aryan knows it. Start speaking now.
Cordelia was a bitch and now Aryan knows it. Aryan Khan is the name of my friend.
Yes.
Away from the Was a bitch, and now Aryan knows it. Aryan Khan is the name of my friend. He called me the other night and said that you went to a cruise named Cordelia. There, he had drugs and never mentioned it to his father, Shah Rukh Khan.
Yes, that's it. Men were lipstick. Women would start speaking now.
If men wore lipstick, I believe.
Yes, there was a tap. Who was it? And remember that rule about not repeating the topic in its entirety in the last 5 seconds. So I'm just doing it for the first time. I'll not be doing it again and again. I'm terrific on Tinder, terrible on a date. Start speaking now.
In all honesty,
That's it, minute over. I can grant it to you, a +1 to MPBM. Cordelia was a bitch and now Aryan knows it. Start speaking now.
Aryan knows about the bitch and he's really scared that she would bite him. But that's not the problem right now because she has not got any rabies injection, so Aryan is again scared. But
Absolutely away from the topic. Goes to Shashwat again. For how many seconds? No, we are down to 33. So 37 seconds, 27 seconds. Okay. For 33 seconds, Cordelia was a bitch and Aryan knows it. Start speaking now.
After Aryan was hosted in
I thought you were only having a factual objection. Sorry. -1 to Abish. I'm terrific on Tinder, but terrible on a date. Start speaking now.
I'm terrific on Tinder because no guy ever swipes me right, and terrible even still.
she contradicted.
And now Aryan knows it. Start speaking now.
Cordelia was a bitch, and now Aryan knows it. Aryan Khan.
Yes. Sorry, there was. She was only beginning to tell us that how we came onto this terra firma we call Earth, right? Okay. We weren't born any differently. So, when films go blue, the faces go red, start speaking now.
Why do the faces actually go red? Because you are doing something wrong and you are shy and embarrassed about it. So better not do it. Why are you so...
She was talking about, but since she was talking both of them together, then she had to say open. So you should have said grammatical error, which you did not, therefore you get a minus and she gets to get away with it. Soda, whiskey, open with the pop. We want Josephus at the top. Start speaking now.
Soda, whiskey, open with a pop. We want Josephus to be at the top because it is the most fantastic, brilliant thing and the awaited of the year that you...
Yes, whiskey, open with the pop. We want Josephus at the top. Start speaking now.
Soda, whiskey, open with the pop. We want Josephus at the top. That was the theme that happened now. I'm speaking.
dramatization.
Whiskey, a fantastic drink you can drink after you have won the Josephus.
Yes.
So after...
No, there was a legitimate pause. The girl has not spoken all this while, so I give her to choose a topic. Which one? St. Joseph and he fumbled. Shouldn't happen. Start speaking now.
Soda, whiskey, open with a pop. We want Josephus to be at the top because this is the...
Yes, minute over.
He said he is a
gender fluid.
No. He said was such a bitch. So he was only trying to exaggerate the degree to which someone can be a bitch. Sorry, -1 to MPVM. Topic remains with Shashwat. Start speaking now.
That he now knows the plight of us middle class people.
Yes,
Grammatical error starting the sentence with that.
there was no hesitation. There was no hesitation. Start. I'll not repeat the topic all the time. I'm repeating it one more time. Cordelia was a bitch and now Aryan knows it. Start speaking now.
Cordelia is a bitch and now Aryan knows is a fact that all of us know. It won't be an exaggeration to say that after that bitch incident,
Yes.
So he hesitated.
Yes. There was. He was repeating the idea of his girlfriend cheating. So that is not on. Start speaking now.
My girlfriend was cheating on me.
Yes. After an invalid objection, he could continue to let his girlfriend keep on cheating on him.
What's at the minus point? Where does it go?
It is none of your business where the minus point goes. You should be worried about your girlfriend who's repeatedly cheating on you. If I were you, by now I would switch to boyfriends. My relationship status, it's complicated. Start speaking now.
As we all know, my girlfriend was cheating on me and hence my relationship.
Yes,
repetition of topic.
It's an invalid objection.
invalid objection. But no, it is is in the same topic. Has he been validly objected to this time?
No, sir.
No, he's not been validly objected to. So if he is happy that his girlfriend is cheating and he's getting points for that, he's profiting from his girlfriend cheating and you are losing because his girlfriend is cheating. Start speaking. This time at least, let your girlfriend be loyal. Start speaking now.
As we all know, my girlfriend was cheating on me, and that's why my relationship status is complicated. But that's not the story how it ended. How should it be end?
Yes, I heard it up from this side.
Waited too long.
So he hesitated.
Yes, he did. He did. Absolutely right. +1 to him. And thanks to his girlfriend cheating, he gets bonus points for her cheating. Blessing in disguise. Keeps on repeating, I'm waiting for you. For whom? For you.
For my lover.
For my lover. I thought she's going to say for you. My heart is beating, keeps on repeating, I'm waiting for you. Start speaking now.
I'm waiting for my lover, the most.
Yes,
Hesitation.
hesitation. Yes, it was the lover who was hesitating, but she hesitated. My heart is beating, keeps on repeating, I'm waiting for you. Start speaking now.
My heart is beating.
Yes.
Late start.
Sorry, there was no late start.